What's happening? It's your boy, Harvey the Credit Houdini. Yeah, I know I probably sound like a wrestler coming on when I did that. But anyway, look, I got some stuff that I want to talk to y'all about, all right? And I'm talking about Credit Karma. Because I got a love-hate relationship with Credit Karma. Everybody and their grandmama got a Credit Karma account. And if you don't, you probably 10% of people in America that don't have a Credit Karma. Everybody and their grandmama got one. You know why? Why? You want to know? Because it's free. Okay? That's why. People love free stuff. So if it's free, more than likely we got it. All right? That's include myself. Don't let this social media fool y'all. I like some free stuff. Okay? So I'm going to give y'all some free game about Credit Karma. All right? I'm going to say it again. Credit Karma. If you don't have a Credit Karma account, I suggest you get one. So look, Credit Karma, the reason why I do like it is because it is awesome with telling you when a company or creditor or somebody you're trying to get credit from. I have to break it down so many different ways because I want people to be able to get this, all right? Like I'm explaining it to a child, all right? So Credit Karma shows you when people run your credit. When you apply for something, it shows you if somebody ran it. Mainly on the Equifax TransUnion side. It doesn't show you Experian, but it does show you when somebody has run your credit with either two of those credit bureaus, all right? And the good thing about it is we've all gone to a car lot trying to get a car, got denied, and they telling you, hey, don't you worry about it. We're going to work on it. We're going to get you approved. And then you leave. You ain't getting no car because your credit was bad. And 2 days later, you start getting these notifications on Credit Karma saying, man, these folks done ran my credit 10 times. So then, now, since you see that, because if you didn't have a credit monitoring service, you probably wouldn't even know. But the good thing about it is, again, like I said, it's free. So you need to get one. So now you can call these people and say, hey, man, I ain't tell y'all to keep on running my credit. Y'all ain't get me no car. Or the car you tried to get me to get in is $800 a month. And the interest rate 30%. And I'm about to have to pay the car all 2 times to even own the car. All right? So that's the good part about it. Another good thing about Credit Karma is it actually tells you when accounts have come off of your credit. Most credit monitoring services don't tell you what's come off. They good about telling you, ding, 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 you had a collection added to your profile. Your score just went down 20 points. Congratulations. They're good for telling you that. But they do not tell you what's come off of your credit unless you go back and you comparing dates. And most people don't even understand what it means to go back and compare dates unless there's somebody who is kind of into the credit repair game, or there's somebody who's always checking into their credit. And truth be told, most people are just busy. Most people don't have time. So they'll log in and they'll just say, hey, my points went up or my points went down. And that's what people look for. But sometimes you can have accounts come off and your credit score doesn't even move. And sometimes you can have accounts added and it'll drop 1,000,000 points. I know it's not 1,000,000 points, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's almost like somebody saying, don't be asking me no questions. And then you got somebody else to say, don't be asking me no 50 million questions. We know 50 million questions ain't, but y'all get what I'm saying. But anyway, Credit Karma is great for telling you what's come off of your credit. So if you don't have it, I strongly suggest you set up a Credit Karma account. All right. The only bad thing about Credit Karma, if you're somebody out there, you're trying to work on your credit yourself, you need to have a more established credit monitoring service. You know, I'm talking about an Identity IQ, Experian.com, Equifax, Smart Credit, Credit Check Total, any of those type sites. You need to have that because Credit Karma doesn't show you your account numbers. So if you have something added and you want to possibly try to send a letter in or what have you, however it is you dispute items on your credit, you're going to have that account number. And without it, good luck. Okay, because that account number is pretty much like the account social security number. All right, if you go into a company and they've got 1 million people in their system, if you don't know your social, most times they're not going to even deal with you. So it's the same thing when it comes down to account numbers and accounts. So you got to have that social security number for that account, which is the account number. All right, so if anybody has any questions about anything, make sure y'all hit me up. But that's enough of my good and bad on Credit Karma, all right? So anyway, y'all be blessed and holla at your boy. Peace.